Catalytic converter cleaners have a certain appeal. You just pour some liquid into your gas tank, drive around for a while, and supposedly your emissions drop, your power jumps, and your check engine light disappears. It seems almost too good to be true. You have to understand what's at stake here. Anyone who's failed an emissions test or seen that dreaded P0420 error code feels the anxiety. The mechanic starts talking about a $1,200 repair, and you'll do almost anything to avoid it. I get it. Here's what the cleaner actually promises. It's supposed to break down carbon and gunk that build up inside your catalytic converter. That carbon can choke the system, leading to failed emissions and decreased fuel economy. It's like cleansing for your car's lungs. Let's be clear, catalytic converters are not magic filters that last forever. After tens of thousands of miles and some rough fuel, they start to clog, especially if your engine is burning oil. Having a solution that costs $20 versus $1,200 is attractive. There's some science behind the cleaners, usually using detergents and solvents like polyethylamine, PEA. These are designed to dissolve deposits and help push them out the exhaust. But here's the real rub. These only work if your converter is dirty, not damaged or melted. A lot of people don't realize if the honeycomb structure inside your catalytic converter has actually fused or broken apart, no liquid, short of industrial acid, is going to restore it. Physical destruction is a total loss scenario, painful but true. So, do they actually work? For some specific cases, yes. If it's moderate deposits and not outright destruction, you can see improvement. Sometimes a check engine light goes off, emissions test passes, or idle smooths out. I've seen this happen, maybe 25% of the time. A step-by-step anyone can do. Buy the right cleaner for your fuel type, pour it into a mostly full tank, then drive for at least 30 minutes at highway speeds. This gets the exhaust hot so the chemicals can do their job. Don't just idle at home. Here's a pro tip most people don't mention. You want your engine to hit operating temperature for an extended period. If you only drive 5 minutes to the grocery store, you won't get enough heat for the cleaner to work its magic. Take a mini road trip. Don't expect miracles. If your converter is truly toast, if you've ignored oil leaks or massive misfires, the cleaner is not going to resurrect it. That $20 gamble won't beat physics. But if you're dealing with light deposits and you're lucky, it might buy you some time. One advantage, even if it doesn't save your converter, many report a modest bump in gas mileage, maybe 3% to 5% and smoother acceleration. That alone can be worth the cost every so often, just as preventive maintenance. So, bottom line, catalytic converter cleaner isn't a magic fix-all, but it's not complete snake oil either. For $20 and some hope, it's probably worth a try before you fork out $1,200 on a replacement. Sometimes it's the Hail Mary pass you need.